special episode of Mo Knows Origami. And we are about to make this, a fortune teller. I will show you how to use them at the end. First, you fold this corner up to this corner, as shown. Crease it, very crease it. Do it the other way. Pause it if you need. Yeah, this is a bad one. I'm just gonna refold that one. Fold here. And then you do it like this. You fold this. Well, it was like this, okay? Turn it this way, yeah. And then fold this side up here. And yes, this is also going to be useful. And then open it. Fold it up. It was right here. Turn it. Fold it up again, like this. If you have it like this, then you've done it well. Take all the corners and bring it to the middle, like shown. This. And no, we're not gonna unfold this. And from here, turn it over and do the same thing. And then it will be done, and I will show you how to use it. And then you will have it like this. Fold it like this. And then like this. And open it up, and you'll have this. And some people do it like this, and some people do it like this. So some people go like this. I go like this. Some people do this. And the way to use them, I will show you in one. Just take any kind of pen or anything, and color it in with the color on each. I'm just gonna write like red, blue, green, and then orange. You can use any colors. And now you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And under each of them you write a sentence like you will go to jail, or like you will have money, something like that. You which means they'll have a lot of money. And then they go like, how to use them is this. If you pick a color like blue, BLUE, EIGHT, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. And I pick one where I wrote my sentence. So then I see, you will be rich. That is how you use a fortune teller. And this is our sponsor, Vose Countertop, Natural Stone. Like and subscribe for more videos.